Glide AI promises to make app building as easy as dragging and dropping. But does it really deliver on that promise? Today we're diving into Glide AI to see if it's worth your time or just another tool that falls short. Glide AI is designed to help anyone create apps without needing extensive coding skills. At its core, it allows you to transform Google Sheets into functional mobile applications. This means if you're comfortable with spreadsheets, you can build an app that pulls data directly from them. The user interface is quite intuitive, featuring a straightforward drag and drop system that feels accessible even for beginners. You can customize layouts, add images, and set up navigation all without writing a single line of code. However, while the concept is appealing, some users might find the templates a bit limiting if they're looking for more advanced customization options. Also, the integration with Google Sheets is great, but it does raise questions about data privacy and security, especially for apps that handle sensitive information. Overall, Glide AI has a lot to offer, but certain aspects could leave users wanting more flexibility. Let's break down what Glide AI does well and where it may fall short. On the plus side, its ease of use is a standout feature perfect for small businesses or individuals who need quick solutions. The ability to create apps directly from Google Sheets is also a big win for those already familiar with that ecosystem. However, there are frustrations too. Some users have noted that the templates can feel restrictive, limiting creativity. Additionally, while the platform is user-friendly, those looking for advanced features might find themselves hitting a wall. Trust is another concern, particularly regarding data handling and privacy, and the pricing model could be a sticking point for some, especially if you need multiple app versions. Overall, it's clear Glide AI has its strengths, but it may not suit everyone's needs. In conclusion, Glide AI is a solid option for those who want to build simple apps quickly, especially if you're already using Google Sheets. However, if you need more customization or are concerned about data privacy, you might want to explore other alternatives. It's worth a try, but be mindful of what you're looking for.